I've made a few videos about my Motus Hand, but I'm going to show you guys how it works today.
This is the Motus Hand on my left arm. I'm going to show y'all some of my favorite games. This is just a warm-up. It's called Temperature. It stretches your hand out for you. The higher you can raise your hand up, the more points you get. This is probably one of my favorite games to play. It's called Brick Breaker. I can control the bottom bar by moving my left hand up to go right and down to go left. I still rely a lot on my Motus Hand to actually move my hand for me though. Okay, this game is called Fishing, and I absolutely hated it at first because I was terrible at it. You want to try to keep the green bar where the fish is moving, and I find this game really difficult because it's hard for me to switch the motion of moving my wrist down and up so quickly. If you can't tell, I'm super competitive and I was really excited to be in first place. Alright, this one's called Countdown. It's basically like Uno, and I love this one. You can see me moving my whole body to try to play the card that I wanted. And here's my favorite game. It's called Candy Swap. This game works the same way as Countdown. I relax while the machine moves my arm into a neutral position, and then I have to push my wrist down so far and then pull my wrist back up. If you've had a stroke, I would definitely check out Motus Nova's page.